Hi, if you're a study abroad consultant are making easy money in 2026, you are completely wrong. Behind every success story, there are rising lead costs, policy checks, AI adoptions, comparison, cuts, massive operational chaos, and in today's video, I'll break down the complete problem landscape of study abroad consultant in 2026. From lead generation all the way to the visa approvals. So whether you are consultant, an edtech founder, or LMS company owner, a marketer in this niche, this video is for you. Let's dive into a first section. The biggest problem today in this industry, getting the leads or getting the cost per lead is very much expensive. As you know, the Google Meta has skyrocketed the cost. The earlier consultants were paying like 200, 150 to 300 per lead cost, which goes approximately right now the 600, 700 and more than that also. But because the aggregators like universities run their own campaigns, and the consultant, the big corporates and the big companies who are operating in this field, they also get into part of this. So that is the reason the cost is rising. The second, as you know, the walk-ins have also dropped after the post-COVIDs. People are not comfortable to come down to your office and meet and have a consultation. So what's the problem and what's the solution for this? So if you have seen it, 25 to 30% revenue you have been burning only on the marketing. As being a smaller consultant, it's getting priced out, because you can't compete with these big multinational companies, universities and the big consultant. So what's the way out? So if you see, the way out is nothing but if you come down and understand your systems and funnels properly, you will definitely make every lead or every qualification process up to the mark, so that your lead quality as well as the funnel which bring them to the paying customer. What is the second problem? Second problem is the lead conversion. As you know, it's a famous, everybody wants to eat the ripened fruit, but nobody wants to wait to get it ripened. It's a famous quote. As you heard it right, nobody wants to work on the conversion or the basically creating the funnel for the getting them convert till the time they get paid for you. What, as a consultant, what you want, every lead has to be a paying customer. No, it won't. Some of the customers or some of the leads will be just your window shoppers. Few of the customers will try to see the comparison. Few of the customers will try to judge what exactly you're offering, and only few of them out of that will become your paying customer or the paying students. So how to solve this problem? So if your conversion is broken, what you should do, you should take the help of AI. So in the age of AI, there are a lot of things which can be automated. Your funnel sequence, your automation, your follow-up sequence, WhatsApp, SMS and personalized emails can help you to solve this problem. And as you know, you are dealing with the Gen Zs of this as a customer. So be prepared that they are coming with you when you're talking with you. They are doing already their homework. They are researching all about your reviews, your feedbacks and your testimonials, everything, whatever is there on the internet. So third is the visa policy violations or the visa hookups. As you know, what is the current situation in the world? Most of the countries are either fighting or they are most fear of get involved into the war. Okay, so in this situation, what you should do, you should be well prepared, rather than giving them a fake promises that everything will be worked out or everything can be given at a certain cost. No, it won't come with a certain cost. It comes with a certain cost to you as well. So while working on this visa problem, you should be upfront, tell them what are the situations, what it looks like and what it could be hampered for their admission, so that they can be well prepared. The next, you are seeing there are many countries who are restricting the restriction on the visa, like different countries, UK, Canada and Australia changing their student guidelines for the upcoming year. So you should be well versed with those changes. So next would be your university commissions and partnerships. As you know, in this industry, most of the things are dependent on your commission structures. As being a student, when you are approaching them, or as a client you are approaching them, you should know, instead of just the university which are paying you high commission, you should understand the first customer, or as a student, what he is looking for, what are his liking and dislikings, what is his capability, and what he is going to be aimed for, whether he want to really go and thrive that university for the upcoming near future, and will it be he become your future brand ambassador with the flying colors with his career. Because end of the day, don't just look for in short term gains, but look for the long term losses as well. Because if you help him to identify the right university or right program for his betterment of the future, rather than choosing your commission over it, it will definitely pay you the rewards also in upcoming days for you as a brand. So think of it, not just look after the university for the commission structure wise, but see what exactly his capabilities are and how he can fit into that university for the particular program. The next, what are the problems? As you see, the technology and CRM gaps. As you know, in every day you are getting the leads from different sources. Maybe it's referral, maybe it's your campaigns, or maybe your customers or walk-ins, and so on and so forth. But to manage this whole structure wise and to make it count that each and every lead should not go into waste, you should come up with a proper CRM. There are multiple CRMs in the market which you can take care of it. Look into it, and definitely will help you to track your each and every lead and make your conversion more optimizable. You can start with some basic Excel sheet and WhatsApp CRM also. The next one is the SOP and documentation fraud risk. As you know, AI has created a lot of compliance nightmare, like AI generated SOPs, fake bank statements, and edited loan letters is fraud detected. You should be well aware if you're new into this industry, but if you're experienced and you know how it works in this industry, most of the time people do this suspicious activity. But as you being a consultant, you will get blacklisted for that university if you don't look up to these activities in a serious manner. So you should look for it and take the necessary steps to avoid this kind of situations. The next, counselor hiring and attrition. As you know, the main backbone of this industry is the counselor, your frontline warriors, those who are actually dealing with your day-to-day activities, talking to your customers, discussing with them, and understanding their pain point, because they are the one who are actually thriving your businesses from day in day out. But if you see, if someone is getting into good with the industry exposure, they might be thinking of not sticking to your brand. They wanted to go and upskill themselves and go for the bigger opportunity, bigger brands. It's nothing wrong in it. Everyone does that. But being a consultant, what you should do, you should always keep a pipeline of new counselors who can be trained with your existing team member, so that if something drops at the 11th hour, you should be prepared, or you should have a backup of the counselors who are ready to take the new leads and the customers flow, or whatever is keeping up you in the timeline. So next would be your student decision delays. As you know, when your timeline is very whatever the opportunity you get with the stipulated timeline. So the early you start, the better you work with it, and better you get the results. So as you know, there are many factors involved to get one student go and study into any overseas country. First is his understanding of his own future, what he is known, what he is taken to be granted, what are the know-hows, what are the difficulties, and what is the challenges he is going to face, whether he is aware or not, that you should understand. That is where people get choked, because they want that I should get the confirmed admission, but no. before understanding his problems or his queries, you will not get the confirmation of the business. So rather than talking and forcing him to get closer, understand what exactly is problem, what are the objection, whether it is understanding of curriculum, whether it is understanding of repayment of his loan, whether it is his getting settled into the other countries, vis-a-vis his curriculum, as well as the after the duration of the course, his post apprenticeship, as well as the job security. What are the different know-hows you have to take care of it? And after, don't forget the foremost thing, the parents who basically providing the finances of this his course, his or her course. So though he's not that much important, but yes, they are the deciding factor. So you should not deviate, or you should not neglect this fact. You should simultaneously try to get the involve of his parent while communicating or while discussing with his university, and make him confirm, yes, all of the parties are on the same page, so that you get the closer fast. So these are the things I feel are the challenges which are coming in the 2026 for the study abroad consulting firms. But yeah, we as a company, we help the study abroad and study MBBS, overseas MBBS and LMS companies to get the guaranteed admissions for the upcoming seasons. If you are one of them and looking for certain helps in this regards, so there is a link in the description. You can get on a call with one of our executive. He will help you to understand how it is and how we can help you. So if you both fit for each other, then we'll definitely help you to get it done. Thank you. So stay tuned. If you like this video, subscribe it, like it, and if you don't like it, give us your suggestions and your feedback in the comments below. Thank you. See you. Till then.